It's like, what do I do with it?
Like, where do I start?
Oh boy.
Neil, do you want to blow that other one out for us?
Go for it.
Because Aaron obviously doesn't know how to do it.
Oh, one more time.
Try
Here,
again.
get on.
Make a good wish.
Good job.
Thanks, Neil.
He's good. He goes right into it. I haven't seen a kid do it like him before.
Yeah.
He's like
I don't think
mesmerized. Yeah.
Are you gonna eat any?
Try it. Here.
Oh.
Wait a second.
Oh my word! Wow, this is a whole new take on life.
Say, it's not as sugary
Why
as
is
my
your
daddy
other
gives
cake
me.
like
that's cool. But that was kind of stupid of him if he knows that it's... No, I mean that because he knows it's the... Who's on the phone? Who's on the phone? Who are you talking to? Yeah. Hi. I know. Aaron, who's on the phone? Who are you talking to? Are you talking to Dad? Say hello. You're so funny. Push the buttons. It's Daniel's old phone that we gave it to him because we thought it'd keep him away from ours, and it hasn't worked until now. And I guess because I know he's calling to say I fell off the chair and I hit my head. Aaron, did they hang up? I love you. Can you say bye-bye? Aaron, say bye-bye. That's a wet washcloth. He fussed at me until I gave him a wet washcloth. You want to see yourself? Look, there you are. Can you see yourself? You sure can. Smile at yourself. Oh! That's not any good. Scoot back. You're trying to get to yourself, huh?
It's mastering two principles. To kick it up and to bring it down.
Dance! Dance! If you get too close, we can't see you. Dance! Aaron!